Good morning. My name is Jesus David Caicedo Solis. Question 2. Why do you want to work for Team Company? I want to work for Team Company because of most experience to strengthen your relationship with the company are you. In addition, by life, interaction, and getting to know the community. I can contribute while innovating ideas sometimes the company because me know for the benefits in provinces. The people on the hand I want to work in the company because working with the service in province can grow in area of my profession than had explored and waiting for more than 2 years finally. I want to stream time work with very proud to have experience on the company on my resume. Thank you.